Here's a quick update on my build. You could call it, I suppose, the parts log for my build. The 92mm f3 frame, as I've previously gone through in a video. That will be the backbone to my build. Consequently, I will be running it on S-Bus and little low-C connector with one of these S-Bus receivers from the QX80, QX90 and QX95 frames. I do have a QX80 and it seems to work a charm for me, so I've got a couple of these for other builds and whatnot, so I thought that was a good addition considering running it off Taranis. Motors to start with, they'll be 8.5mm by 20mm Chaoli motors, the 1S variants. However, I've got the urge to get some of the 2S ones for some reason. As you all know how it goes, you always want faster and more powerful. So that's what I've got earmarked for this build at the moment. As the other accessories, obviously I'll put the rubber feet on. I'm not going to put the piezo buzzer on, and I don't need any of the other things. The final component is the FPV gear. I have an EF01, which is the cased one. Obviously it's waist weight with the case on. There's a video on my channel showing how to decase them. It takes 30 seconds and you can get it down to it's roughly I think 6 grams, whereas with the case it's 8 grams. I don't know if it's better to use that with the all-in-one system and a cloverleaf up front, or I've had one of these King Kong Q25 cameras. It's like the little CMOS camera, and it's got the transmitter and a little sleeve dipole off board. I can't quite make up my mind which one I want to use yet. It will be one of the two. So that is the parts list for this build. They'll all be linked down in the description. Time to start my build. From the previous video, I still got the rubber grommets on here. I have removed the transmit green wire from the S-Bus side. I think first things first, I'm going to put this JST on. Okay, a bit more progress. The S-Bus receiver is all soldered up. Plug into the side here, and I will obviously when we're wiring something like that, and I'll just sticky pad it down for now. In error, clockwise, anti-clockwise on the wrong corners, they're corrected now. No biggie. Mounted propellers. On these Charlie motors, I've got some Hubsan 107 props, but they're not really staying on the shafts too well. But these Walkera Ladybird props are absolutely brilliant. Nice snug fit and perfect. I think the next stage for me is to mount a video transmitter and camera on here. So I shall go around doing that now. Okay, here's a final little update on my build. I have my FrSky receiver stuck down on my back here with the EF01 integrated camera transmitter installed. It's on a bit of sticky back foam, or double-sided sticky foam, with a cable tie just set over the top here for retention. On the bottom, battery strap is just an elastic band done as sort of a Celtic knot over the arms, and it seems to work absolutely brilliant. Battery connection, but that's that. Flies great. Be some footage of the flight coming up shortly.